In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmatch a bank transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to correct a matched transaction, you know how important it is to know exactly how to unmatch it efficiently. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along smoothly. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks Online and direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a menu with various sections, and to begin, we're going to focus on the section labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a few more options within the Transactions area, bringing us one step closer to finding and unmatching those transactions you've been thinking about. Once you've clicked on Transactions, your next focus is on the Bank Transactions tab. You'll spot this option quite easily because it's a dedicated tab that helps you manage your bank-related activities directly within QuickBooks. Clicking on the Bank Transactions tab will provide you access to all transactions that have been pulled from your bank accounts, giving you an overview of your financial flows. Now, here comes the important part, navigating to the Categorized tab within the table that appears. The Categorized tab is where all your matched transactions will typically reside. Think of it as your archive of transactions that have been sorted and paired according to prior categorizations and matches you've completed. This will allow you to see which transactions have been paired automatically or manually by you in the past. At this point, you're only one click away from unmatching a transaction. Within the Categorize tab, look through your list of transactions for the one you need to correct. Once you've located it, you'll notice an Undo option. This option is your friend today. Clicking on Undo for the selected transaction will remove its matched status, effectively unloading it from the Categorize section and returning it to the For Review section. With that simple action, you've successfully unmatched your transaction. It's a straightforward process, but an important one to understand so you can maintain accuracy in your records. This feature ensures your QuickBooks data reflects the correct financial activities at all times. And there you have it. That's all it takes to unmatch a bank transaction in QuickBooks Online. It's pretty easy, right? This small but vital step can help keep your financial records accurate and provide clearer insight into your business's cash flow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in next time for more QuickBooks tips and tricks to keep your bookkeeping goals on track.